friends, Michelle here from Scrappy Soul Sister, and I am here with a unboxing video for you. Now this is the August limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook, and I'm so excited because I'm already aware of this collection and already had some plans for it. So let's dig into this a little bit. So the main collection is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Sand and Sea. And I was already planning on using this collection for my Alaska cruise. And so I am super excited to either use this for other things as well or to get some pages pre-done for that cruise. And so let's take a look. Now, this first page we're looking at is just stunning. This is beach life. And so very calm, tranquil looking piece. And and I love like the ledger feel to it. And on the back is this all over seashell with some dictionary print behind it. Look at this. It's just so peaceful, and it's called Rest and Relax. And so I have been attracted to stronger, brighter patterns lately. And so this is right up that alley. And then on the flip side is this gorgeous floral decisions. I love both of them so much. And we have this at the beach piece with so many gorgeous little scenarios of a peaceful beach day. This is called Ashore is Fun. It like the colors. I mean, I know it doesn't have Winnie the Pooh on it anywhere, but it kind of has that kind of vibe. It's just very tranquil. And I love this all over polka dot, uneven polka dots. There's just a little bit of cloudiness in the back with some darker navy, so very pretty. And another gorgeous floral. This is called Tides and Treasures. And on the back is a wood grain. Another tough decision for me. I love my wood grains. Now look at this. Now we did go to St. Augustine and Key West in May and took some great lighthouse pictures. So I might have to use some of those pictures with these next two pages. On the back is another all over uneven polka dot, this time with red. But I just love this. So pretty. And then on the next page, more of the lighthouses. So I have plenty of ammo if I decide to use those lighthouse pictures. This just an uneven red stripe with a white background. Another gorgeous floral. This one leans more into the olive greens with the white and the blue. This one is called Enjoy the View. And then a green olivey all over plaid on the back, a diagonal plaid. Oh, my voice I can tell is having issues already. Sorry about that. Look at this wood grain. This might solve my problem. I can just use this as my wood grain fix. Love the florals in the corners. Really, really pretty. And on the back is this great red medallion print. White medallions on a kind of brickish red background. This is called Great Escape. And now we're getting into some of the cut aparts. So love the old-fashioned swimsuit, little cupcake, beach scenes, 3x4s, 4x6s, more 3x4s up above. And then a great blue and white paisley looking. I'm not sure what these, I know they're not paisley. I'm not sure exactly what these are called, but very pretty. Then we have our combo elements. So a variety of sizes there of 4x6s, 2x2s, 4x4s, 3x4s that you can use for journaling blocks or as bases for clusters. Another great uneven stripe, uneven as far as the colors of blue, as well as the width of the stripe. And then we have the journal elements with a variety of sizes that you can cut apart. Oh, look at that! So pretty! A great little waves hitting the beach scene. Gorgeous. I love it. Then finally we have our tag elements, and so lots of great images that we've seen throughout. Waves for days, love that. The bike, the anchor, the seagull, all the little images you can either leave on the tags or cut off. And then we have our journaling side on the flip side. So gorgeous papers. Super excited to use those. Set that aside and look at some of the other elements. First of all, we have the cardstock stickers. And so lots of these that you can use for titles or in your clusters. Let's get away, all smiles, waves for days, explore the shore. Super cute. There are 59 stickers. So on the back side, we have a couple of borders, lots of little phrases, which I love, a couple of medallion round pieces, and some more icon. That crab is adorable. Super cute. We also have the Sand and Sea cardstock die cuts. And so I will spread these out at the end, as well as the chipboard pieces. So I'll set those aside for later. We have this great piece of mesh. Mesh is fabulous for ocean layouts, so this will be fun to play with. And then we have our flowers. It looks like all of these are from Prima this month. Love the red, white, and blue. And if depending on where and how you celebrate 4th of July, this is a great red, white, and blue collection as well. So the clusters in here are really different. Pearls and rhinestones. Very, very pretty. Love the red. This is almost like a faded red, like a terracotta. Just a lot of different colors of blue. And then finally we have our ivory flowers that if you don't have enough color here, you can always dye these as well. Okay, let's put those aside and let me go ahead and spread out these embellishments. All right, so here are the chipboard pieces. And so we have lots of word sentiments, a few that are large enough for titles, good vibes, seaside is the best place to be. Some cute little hearts and shells, a few little word strips, best times, love you, rest and relax. Toes in the sand, a little frame, a hat, some waves, some little flying birds, so cute. We have a VW bus and more seagulls, a little glass vessel with seashells in it, hat, and then a few florals, lighthouses, and a little moped, and the ice cream, can't forget that. All right, let's take a look at the bits and pieces. All right, so we have More great word art that you can use for titles: Beach Life, Wild and Free, Great Escape, Enjoy Today, as well as some smaller single words. We have a lot of our beach icons, so our luggage, our swimsuits, cute little crab camera, some bags, sailboats, sandcastle, and some great lighthouses, a couple hats, some sneakers and flip-flops, sunglasses, lots of shells and hearts. We have our postage stamps. We have a couple of different little beach scenes. Little cupcake. Loving this, a little outdoor patio scene that looks very Mediterranean. And some flower clusters, so lots of great elements to use. Now, let me just move some of this aside real quick. All right, so I did go ahead and pick out some distress colors that I thought would work. And they might not be perfect. This group with the primaries sometimes can be a little tough. But I am going to start with these. And so that is the Vintage Photo, Chip Sapphire, Tumbled Glass, and Ice Spruce. Now, Aged Mahogany, I think from my swatch cards at least, matches the tone of the red the best. But I just have ink in that. I don't have Oxford. The other one that was a little close was Fired Brick. But it looks right here. But if you water it down at all, then it gets a little orangey for the match. And so, but I might try both and see what happens. So hopefully this is helpful for you to see what is in the kit. Let me know if you have any questions, and stay tuned because I will attach my completed layouts to the end of this video. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye now.